Hello everyone, today is March 8th, 2021, and you can see there's a little snow on the ground still, but it is a toasty 7 degrees out here in southern Ontario. Most of the snow has melted, and so you can see the side garden here is all bare. The grass is brown now because it actually got cold enough this year to kill the grass. On the left you'll see a bunch of like stones. I was digging in the yard and I found a bunch of cinder blocks and rubble, so I just used it to make a little like patch here because, as you may recall, I have asparagus that will be popping up there. So we'll see how that goes. The side yard is still pretty bare. I don't expect anything to come up. On the right over here, in these under these pots, I planted a bunch of black walnuts because I wanted some trees this spring. But if you look between the pots, in between every pot, there are massive holes because the pesky squirrels obviously smelled those delicious black walnut and they got at them. So hopefully there are some around later on, but I doubt it. The squirrels probably got them all. And so if we come back here, everything is still brown. If we look at this is a black raspberry bush, and you can see that these stems are now red. And they were green going into the winter because they were new growth. But now that they're red and hardened, they will sprout like new green shoots, and then that's where the new black raspberry for this year will come out. So I'm sure we'll have a ton of black raspberry this June. And so if we come over here, I just wanted to show you guys the mulberry that I had planted, the white mulberry that I had planted from seed. So this is it, and it's about probably 30 to 40 centimeters tall, and there it is. That's the white mulberry that I planted from seed. So there's that one. I don't think there's any other, but I wanted to show you something else cool. This right there, and this, and this, they are red pine that I planted from seed, and they're super tiny even though they're like 3 years old. So they do grow very slowly, but also they've been in these pots and they haven't gotten a lot of direct sunlight, so they're quite small. And well, here's another mulberry, but this is a red mulberry, and it's only 1 year old, as opposed to the white mulberry that is probably 2 or 3 years old, and they're actually about the same height. So obviously native species do a lot better, not always, but often. And here is the back, still dirty, covered in snow, compost. And this tree right in the middle there, That is a local native volunteer seedling red mulberry. And it's only about 3 years old, but it's already way taller than me. It's about a story high there. So that's they grow super fast, and they give us delicious fruit. So that's super awesome. And anyway, that's all for the March garden update. Not too much to see. Well, we have these black walnuts trees. They're 80 years old or 100 years old, I reckon, and they're about 5 stories high. And if you see over there, there's a rope that's holding one of the branches away from the roof of my house. And so you can do bonsai training on trees that are bigger than your house. Pretty cool, right?